Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS, and this is my Tesla Cybertruck, and in today's video, we're gonna be installing a light bar from Hansshow. So, opening the front, you can see here we've got the light bar perfectly packaged in the front. So let's go ahead and unbox this. We'll show you everything that this comes with, and then we'll go ahead and install it and show it to you in action on my Cybertruck. All right, so unboxing the 52-inch waterproof light bar from Hansshow for the Cybertruck. And I think it's more than just a coincidence that they made it so it perfectly fits in the front of the Cybertruck. So you can see we've got the light bar, we've got a set of instructions as well as warranty guide. Got a little thank you note from Hansshow, and this looks like probably some brackets for mounting. Yeah, so this is some hardware, and you can see it's got all the wiring hooked up. Let's pull this light bar out. And of course, yeah, two mounting brackets, one to the left and one for the right side. So I'll show you the next steps to install your Hansshow light bar. So before you install the light bar, you're gonna wanna go into the interior of your Cybertruck and go down to your menu, go to outlets and mods. And here where it says roof power feed, you're gonna make sure that that is off. So if you climb up on the rear seat area, it's actually easy to access this. You can just push it open and see these two attachments here, which are 10mm bolts. You're gonna need a 10mm socket to access those. So you're also gonna need to remove these little covers, which are actually not that hard. You just put a screwdriver in, gently push, and you'll see that dislodges it. So climbing up on the passenger side, and we will again push this in. This one on the passenger side, you can see has been pre-wired to hook up to power. So that is the roof power switch on the interior, hence why you're gonna wanna make sure that's off for the install. So with your 10mm socket, you're gonna remove all 4 bolts shown here, 2 on this side and 2 on that side. And you're gonna expose these 3 wires here to connect to the Hansshow light bar. So here we have the right side bracket, which is gonna be for the passenger side of the Cybertruck. And here we have the left side bracket, which is gonna be for the driver side of the Cybertruck. And we're gonna go ahead and install these brackets, which I'll just mount and show you. So this screw set here, you're gonna tighten all the way to the end, and then you're gonna feed that through this bracket like so. You're gonna put it all the way through, and then once that's tight, you're gonna put this nut tight on the other end, and you're gonna take this rubber grommet here and put that on here, and that is what is going to rest against the glass. So this is going to sit on the glass, protecting it from any damage. So now that we've got that done on the left side bracket, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the right side bracket. So now with the bracket in place, you're just going to slip it on here and then reinstall the 2 10mm bolts. And you can see this here is resting along the glass to protect from any damage there. So once you have the left and right side brackets mounted, This is the part where you may need somebody's help to actually hold the other side of the light bar while you install it. Now, with that said, it's quite simple. There's just one bolt on both sides as well as a couple washers, and it simply screws in with the attachment and the Allen key provided by Hansshow with the light bar. So super simple to install, but like I said, most likely gonna need a second person just to hold it in place while you're doing both sides. Once you have the light bar mounted, you're gonna snip off the black cover on the red and black wire, and then you're gonna slide them into the provided clear connector and simply crimp them together, therefore completing the connection. Once you've crimped them together, as you see, you're just gonna plug it into the provided connector on the Hansshow light bar. Of course, I've gone ahead with some black electrical tape and covered it up. And finally, you can see I've zip tied the wires to the mounting bracket so they're nice and tucked away. And just like that, approximately 15 minutes later, the Hansshow light bar has been installed on my Cybertruck. And I just wanted to highlight some of the key features of it, including the wider vision, given that this is a 52-inch light bar that effectively focuses and projects to near and far areas. It has superior lighting performance due to its 5-watt LED super chip. It has no objectionable wind noise due to the design of it. It has a perfect design with aluminum alloy case, double-sided reinforced PC lens, and spray gloss black iron brackets. And it's perfect for outdoor adventures. And like I said, super easy install. This took me about 15 minutes with no special tools other than a 10mm socket. So simply, if you climb inside your Cybertruck, now you go to your dash and go down here to your menu, go to outlets and mods, and you're gonna hit this button here with the power feed to the roof. But I'm gonna show you guys, first of all, headlights on. So that's the normal lights. And now let's put on the power feed to the roof, and I'll show you guys the crazy difference that this light bar adds to the Cybertruck. Look at that. I'll show you guys from the exterior now. And there you have it in action. So you can see the factory LED bar and this 52-inch light bar, which throws an absolutely insane amount of light. As you can see, when you stand in front of it, it is blinding. Like, I literally cannot see my screen right now. This light bar is so bright. So that is the Hansshow 52-inch light bar install on my Tesla Cybertruck. I think you can see not only is this a practical feature, but I actually think aesthetically this thing looks really good on the Cybertruck. So I highly encourage you, check out the link in the video description below and use my discount code to get your Hansshow Cybertruck light bar, as well as check out their wide range of products for your Tesla vehicle. Let me know what you guys think about the light bar in the comments below, and hopefully tag me in your videos on Instagram or on YouTube when you install yours. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you to Hansshow for sponsoring this video.